When you're doing any guitar build, especially when you're modifying a guitar, obviously the first step is to strip the guitar down. And you want to take some precautions when you're doing it. And as you saw in the last video, we did test the guitar, make sure it was fully playing, that things were generally okay before we started. So now we're going to tear it down.